life. Wanted to plug all my life. We had to move around with a fight. We had to shoot it out all night. Ain't no question about no beef. No, we love them. Fuck nigga, don't make me put a slug down. I've been chasing paper, chasing what? Lately I've been feeling like fuck the hater, fuck the cop. Hustle lately I've been home team. Heartless, yeah. Lately I've been heartless, yeah. You look at it.
Hey, Sam Justice, turn it up in this motherfucker. Sam Justice is turning it up. I don't fuck with these niggas. These bitches, they just wanna have a blood in the crack.
Mama, she was in the street, so guess who raised me? You motherfucking right, couldn't get it from my mama, so I got it off the block. Been working my whole life, but I ain't never punched a clock. Hey, 9 years old, I seen a nigga get shot.
Damn.
Niggas quit to run their mouth when they get jammed.
Pussy ass nigga tell it on his whole fam.
The same nigga that you break your neck for.
He the same nigga cause you after what you want.
Supposed to be chasing money, but you chasing bitch. Real bosses don't talk.
We just sit back and listen.
Stack that paper up and then make boss moves.
She like to argue, so I sent that bitch to law school.
Shut down no matter what. Same bitch decline, she love you, she done set you up. Preach.
Ain't no such thing as love.
Preach. The only thing I trust is this pistol and these slugs. Preach.
Only one I do speak.
If the nigga don't work, he'll fucking me.
Preach.
Hey,
I ain't got shit. Nigga ain't nothing in this motherfucking world free.
Preach. Zay got the motherfucking bass thumping. Y'all got the motherfucking trap jumping. Doors to the trap open, I say something. Hell no, don't ask, I ain't frontin' nothing. Hell no, I fucked your bitch and told her I see you around. Dog just get a town with 200 down. Dog just pulled an 8 in a 2-liter pot. They say dog's addicted to the street.